Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find games that you and your friends have on Steam, like the games that you own so you can play together. So you're just going to select library here, and in the search bar you're just going to use the filtering option. So for instance, you want to play with a friend but you don't know what kind of games they have, so you're just going to enter their name here, so include games owned by your friend, and it's going to show that you both have this game and you can play this together because this is a multiplayer game. So Stumble Guys and Devour, you can play together, and that is pretty much how you can find what games you have that are similar to your friends, that are the same with your friends. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!